How to create a project on CapCut. In this video, guys, I'll be explaining to you how you can create a project on CapCut. So guys, want to open your CapCut. When you open CapCut, click on where it says new project. Now here's the drill, guys. Make sure the picture or the clip you are using should be your main clip so that it will match the resolution you want. So you can see you can use the AI, you can use the stock video of CapCut, you can use the AI media, so you can generate an AI picture. This is a new update. This is just recently added. So let's go ahead and click the clip we want to use. When you click on the clip, go ahead and click on where it says add. So as you can see, guys, my video is added. So the reason why you should always start with your main clip is because you want the resolution of your clip. As you can see, guys, you want the resolution of your clip. But however, you can go ahead and adjust this. Click on where it says ratio, so you can adjust this to TikTok. You can use it for Instagram. You can adjust it for YouTube. You can adjust it for YouTube Shorts. So that's it on how to create a project on CapCut. This video is really helpful to you guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.